Where are we today? We're in sunny Brighton, as you can guess, by the Brighton Palace Pier behind me. It's a bit chilly here today, and I'm way out of my comfort zone because I'm not in London. When in Brighton, you know what you've got to have? You've got to have some fish and chips, and we're going to Captain's, which can't be any closer to the pier and can't be any closer to the sea. As always, let's give it a go. Went to go and sit inside. Cameraman thought it was a better idea to sit out here. Let's hope I'm not going to get attacked by the 5,000 seagulls that are out here. I've ordered cod and chips, which is £12.50. I've got that with some mushy peas, which is an additional £2, and a mug of tea as well, which is £2.50. And now I've got pigeons looking at me and everything. Like, I haven't got anything yet, so you can't mug me. I'll see you when it turns up. Fingers crossed I can get to eat it, hey? Go away. I've got back in one piece. Get a close-up of that. Okay, so the signs here say award-winning and rated #1 fish and chip shop in Brighton. So these need to be pretty good. Nice piece of cod there. Lots of chips underneath, or a good portion of chips underneath. That's come apart with my fingers as well. Take a close-up on that. Some nice flakes of cod there. Very nice. The batter itself is nice and crispy. Let's tuck in. That's really good fish. That cod is really flaky, very, very nice. The batter, it's got a really nice crunch to it. Really good batter there. There's no skin on the fish either. Now, for the chips. See, nice looking chips. The homemade chips. They do the chips cut them up every day. They are very, very tasty, really tasty. Now for my mushy peas. They're nice and thick. Yeah, they're okay. Not the best peas I've ever had. Not the worst peas I've ever had. Let's try a little bit of a combination here. Not easy without a knife and fork. I'm going to lose that. That's really good fish. They're excellent chips and reasonably okay peas. Altogether, they are really, really good. They are actually mushy peas, but what's good about them, they have actually got whole peas in there as well, so not completely mushed down. Award-winning? I'd say not far away from it, to be honest. Batter is really crispy, really, really light, not fatty at all. There's no fat dripping off it at all. Could have done with a wedge of lemon. I've got some tartar sauce that I bought. I'm going to crack on, and I'll see you guys shortly. If I can get this open. Okay, so I've just finished my fish and chips there, and mushy peas. Start with the cod. The cod was very, very nice. Beautiful flakes, real white colour to it. There was no skin on the fish either. I don't mind either way, you can have skin on or skin off. But it was a very, very good piece of fish. The batter itself, nice and crisp, wasn't oily in any shape or form. Really, really good piece of fish there. The chips, as I said earlier on, the chips are homemade. They cut them up in the morning and they fry them off, obviously, as per order. Nice and crisp on the outside, really fluffy and delicate on the inside. Real nice flavour to it. They'd already put salt and vinegar over the fish and chips, so I didn't need to add that. The mushy peas, they were okay. They weren't the best mushy peas I've ever had. They were a little bit bland in truth. The tartar sauce was just a sachet of tartar sauce. Altogether, it was a very, very good fish and chips. Location-wise, well, can't get any closer to the sea than where we are. It is right on the beach. Staff in itself, staff are nice and friendly. They called my name out correctly, Gary, so I went running over and I got it. So, yeah, just a nice place to come to. Marks out of 10, I'm going to give it an 8.5 out of 10. Now, I'm giving it 8.5 out of 10 because altogether for the fish and chips and mushy peas came to £15. A cup of tea was another £2.50 on top, so it was £17.50 altogether. But if you're like £15 for the fish, chips and mushy peas, and I'm sure that you can get that fish and chips cheaper elsewhere. However, that was a good quality meal. It was very, very, very good. If you're in Brighton, I'll get down to Captain's and I'll give it a go because everything was there. It was a nice piece of fish and chips and a fantastic location as well. If you'd like and subscribe to the channel, I always appreciate that. Until next time, cheers. The cameraman's fighting with the seagulls. Bye.